Most people fear the IRS. Missing one form causes significant delays. Simple errors trigger IRS notices. An extension to file does not grant an extension to pay. Learning how to file taxes for the first time feels, well, overwhelming. This beginner tax guide, really simplifies tax filing for everyone. You deserve confidence during tax season, and honestly, you deserve to keep more of your money. This video explains the process clearly. Most people fear the IRS, but knowledge replaces this fear with control. The importance of tax forms cannot be overstated. Tax forms serve as the foundation of your return. The 1040 form remains the main document for individual residents. Employers send W-2 forms to report annual wages. Freelance workers receive 1099 forms for various income types. Interest from bank accounts appears on 1099 INT forms. Missing one form causes significant delays. Sort these documents by category as they arrive in the mail. Keep digital copies on a secure drive. Physical copies belong in a locked file cabinet. Your filing status dictates your tax rates. Single status applies to unmarried individuals. Married filing jointly often provides the best tax benefits for couples. Head of household status assists single parents with lower rates. Choosing the wrong status leads to errors. Review the criteria for each category carefully. Your life situation on December 31st determines the status for the entire year. Income includes more than just your base salary. You should include bonuses and tips in your calculations. Record gains from selling stocks or crypto assets. Some unemployment benefits also count as taxable income. Documenting every dollar ensures you follow the law. The IRS receives copies of your forms. Matching your return to their records prevents audits. Deductions, you see, lower the portion of income the government taxes. Most people, they use the standard deduction. This fixed amount, it reduces your taxable income automatically. Itemized deductions, on the other hand, work better for people with high medical bills or perhaps large mortgage interest payments. Now, tax credits differ from deductions. Credits provide a dollar-for-dollar reduction of your actual tax bill. The Earned Income Tax Credit, for example, helps low to moderate income workers. The Child Tax Credit supports families with dependents. Take a moment, if you would, to support the channel. Like the video and subscribe for more financial guidance. Your support, honestly, helps create more educational content. Modern software these days makes filing accessible. Programs guide users through questions, and these questions, they identify potential savings. Many companies offer free filing for simple returns. High-income earners might prefer professional software with audit protection. Compare features before purchasing a subscription, and remember, user-friendly interfaces reduce the chance of manual entry errors. Complex financial situations require expert eyes. Certified public accountants understand intricate tax laws. Enrolled agents also provide professional representation. Consider a pro if you own a business or hold foreign assets. Professionals charge fees but often find extra savings. Expert advice provides peace of mind for nervous filers. Simple errors trigger IRS notices. Double-check your Social Security number. Verify the routing number for your bank account. Direct deposit remains the fastest way to receive a refund. Sign the return before submitting. Unsigned forms remain invalid. Keep a copy of the final submission for your records. The IRS requires you to store these records for 3 years. The federal deadline usually falls on April 15th. Filing early, well, it reduces the risk of identity theft. Thieves sometimes file fake returns using stolen data, you know. Early filing beats them to the punch. If you need more time, request an extension. Extensions provide 6 additional months to file. But remember, an extension to file does not grant an extension to pay. You should pay your estimated balance by the April deadline to avoid interest charges. Read every line of your return one last time. Confirm the math is correct. Most software honestly performs these checks for you. Electronic filing offers the most security. Mail-in returns, well, they take weeks to process. Digital submissions receive confirmation within hours. You successfully navigated the tax landscape. You learned to organize documents. You identified potential savings through deductions. You chose a filing method. You understand the importance of deadlines. Tax season no longer causes fear. Knowledge provides power over your finances. Comment below with your tax questions. Share the video with friends facing their first tax season. Your participation builds our community.